prepare.
UDP leader and cabinet minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday said that the process of identifying the Lok Sabha candidates will be completed within a month's time. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said as far as UDP is concerned, we have already gone ahead with the process of identifying our candidate. He also said that the former Hinyotrep Youth Council HYC President Robert June Karjarin is one of the individuals who have expressed interest in contesting from the Shillong parliamentary seat. He further said that the preparation for the MDC election is going on in full swing. The State Election Committee has already met a couple of times.
As far as the UDP is concerned, we've already gone ahead with the process of identifying our candidate, and the process should be through in the next 1 month or even less than that. Yeah, we are going on in full swing. The State Election Committee has already met a couple of times, and we should be in a position to have at least the preliminary list of candidates ready by January end.
India's first premier gaming festival is being held